Hello team, welcome to another workout. Today we're going to be doing a Mat Pilates style class, so it's all on the floor, no equipment needed, everyone can do it. We have 2 circuits, we're going to be doing about 9 exercises in total, and it's going to take about 10 minutes. So have some water with you, some music. I'm not going to talk during the workout, so you can enjoy it as your time. And that's all. Let's do this workout together.
Death.